This week's feast,
the Excellent Challenge.
Never skip egg day.
What's up, everybody? Ashley isn't here because she just had a child, so Josh and I decided to go camping and film some stuff, and here we are in Big Bear, in Andrew's cabin, and we're gonna be making the Excellent Challenge from Regular Show today.
Wait, look!
Only once every 1,000 years does an eating challenge appear with the ability to blow everyone away. The Excellent Challenge is that challenge. Finish in under an hour and your party eats for free. And you win this hat that says I'm excellent on it.
My goodness, I can't wait to crack 12 eggs.
That's a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
Josh, what's your appetite like? Can you eat a lot?
I can eat a lot, especially when it comes to breakfast. As you know, I am the self-proclaimed champion of breakfast.
True.
So that's why this meal is so fitting for us to collaborate on.
The Excellent Challenge is pretty insane. What's inside it, Josh?
We got 12 eggs.
Oh gosh.
We got 4 cups of chili, 2 cups of cheese, a cup of peppers and mushrooms, and it's got a side too. I don't know if you knew about that.
Yeah, 5 pounds of fruit.
Yeah.
Ooh. And we're gonna attempt to eat it all, but more importantly, we're gonna show you how to make it. You ready?
Yeah, I am.
Let's get cooking.
Okay.
12 eggs, you say? Then 12 eggs we shall lay all together. So grab a fork and begin beating all of these before adding some pepper, stirring again, and coating a pan with melted butter. Pour in your eggs and slowly work them until you've made a delicious looking scramble. Cooking with a spatula here is highly recommended. Next we'll be cutting up our mushrooms and then our red peppers into slices. In a pan with butter, throw them all together and season with some salt and pepper until they're soft. Now we used canned biscuits because they're just so delicious and they're also incredibly easy and fast to make, and we have an appetite to fulfill. Now it's time to assemble the full Excellent Challenge. Layer your eggs on a foil baking sheet, cover it with your mushrooms and red pepper mixture, then coat all of that with tons of chili and cheese on top. While this is broiling in the oven, let's get cracking on 5 pounds of fruit. So we chose my favorites. We've got beautifully sliced watermelon, cantaloupe for days, and honeydew. Now when your Excellent Challenge is ready to go, add your biscuits, bring the fruit bowl over, and voila! You've made an absurdly large and extremely in charge Excellent Challenge. Now this thing is not healthy by any means, so don't let the fruit trick you. Think you can take down this entire thing yourself? Good luck. You'll probably find yourself in the hospital. And all that for a hat. Yeesh.
All right, Josh, are you ready?
I think I'm ready. Are you ready?
I didn't think 12 eggs was that much when we cooked it, and now looking at this, I'm intimidated.
Yeah, you forgot about the 4 cups of chili,
Yeah.
and the 2 cups of cheese,
Yeah.
and the mushrooms,
Yeah.
and the peppers.
Yeah.
You also probably forgot about this 5-pound bowl of melon in front of me that we gotta finish.
And the biscuit. Well, cheers, buddy. Dink. That is good, though. You want to sneeze?
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Oh, yeah!
Yeah. That's what's up.
This is my favorite hot sauce, Crystal.
I don't usually do chili and eggs. It's not my thing, really.
Ashley would be so disappointed. She loves a good chili.
She does, but does she like chili with eggs?
Heck yeah, she likes chili with everything. This is a lot of food, dude.
Gains, bro.
Look at all this cheese.
Sick.
What a cheese pull. Tell me how that tastes. Yeah, that's a big bite. Good? All right. Hey, Kiwi. You want some food? You don't get any. Sorry.
It's not the chili and this that's like getting me, because I want this.
Yeah.
It's the fruit that's sitting in front of us.
Really?
It's all water.
I could eat that whole thing.
Seriously?
Yeah, I love fruit.
I understand that, but what about like just stomach space?
That's true. Do you think you could eat all this by yourself?
Maybe.
Maybe? There's no way. Look at this. It's huge. The 12 eggs alone. That's ridiculous.
I regularly eat 4 egg omelets.
And then 5 pounds of fruit.
Definitely not.
I used to, when I was a kid, eat an entire watermelon by myself.
Really?
Yep.
I don't think there's any nutritional value in watermelon.
You can't tell that to me. It's my favorite fruit.
It's one of those like celery things, you know?
Well, actually, celery is one of the few vegetables that you can eat that you're going to burn more calories digesting it than you get from eating it.
But that's an old wives' tale. Whose tale is that? Who's the wife? That it's like, you know what I mean?
Could you imagine if old wives had the internet?
We'd have old wives' blogs.
Like, hey, you got an earache? Drop some whiskey in it.
There's no way that's true. That has to be an old wives' blog.
That's definitely an old wives blog. I don't know where I read it from or what Tumblr linked me to it, but man, You know what, Josh?
What, Jimmy?
Job well done.
I think so.
This is really tasty. I cannot imagine ever eating it by myself.
Heck no.
It would make total sense that you would go into a coma if you finished it.
Yeah, I think even what I've eaten so far, I might even pass out. Just saying. Next thing we have to do is take all of this, put it in a blender with all of this, and make a regular show excellent breakfast smoothie.
No.
Next logical. What do you mean? Why not?
A smooth. Oh my gosh.
The next
No.
logical evolution.
All right, that does it for today's show. Thanks so much, Josh, for coming on.
Dude, thanks for having me. I'm so ridiculously full right now.
Me too. And hey, if you want to see your request get made, just make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below.
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yep.
See you later.
Bye.